Unlock the power of seamless marketing automation by connecting ConvertKit and Wati, transforming your email leads into engaging WhatsApp conversations. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Automations tab. This is where we'll set up the trigger to send data to Wati. Next, head over to your Wati account. Find the API docs or the integrations options. You'll need your API key from Wati. Keep this safe and handy. Back in ConvertKit, create a new automation or edit an existing one. We'll use a trigger. Let's use subscribes to a form now. Add an action. Select Webhook. This is the bridge between ConvertKit and Wati. In the Webhook settings, paste your Wati API endpoint. This endpoint tells ConvertKit where to send the data. Include the contact data like email, first name, which you've captured to your ConvertKit form. Ensure the format is compatible with Wati's requirements, usually in JSON. Finally, test your new integration. Subscribe to the ConvertKit form you selected earlier with a test email. Check your Wati contact list. You should see your email from ConvertKit is now added to your Wati account. Now you can begin setting up automated WhatsApp messaging campaigns to your ConvertKit subscribers. Stay tuned for more automation tips and tricks.